Today's a special video. It's a different kind of video. And, you know, it does feel a little bit like we're patting ourselves on the back as we ask you to watch us get an award. Look, we're not winning an Oscar or walking at the red carpet at the Met Gala. But I guess for two small YouTubers from Tennessee, this sort of feels like the same level of self-congratulations.
I don't know how to put this, but I'm kind of a big deal.
Okay, look, we know that it's nowhere near on that same level, but for us, it's a huge win. It's evidence of 3 years of hard work and creativity paying off in the form of one little silver award that will probably just sit in the closet after the filming of this video. And we know it's a weird ask to ask y'all to celebrate this award with us, but we really owe this thanks to y'all for sticking with us and making it possible. We'd like to thank our family and friends, the Academy, YouTube, and all of the 100,000 subs that have gotten us here. But seriously, guys, thank you. Now, we're gonna take you back just a few weeks to share the excitement with you. Today's video starts at a little hotel in Brazil. Okay, so we're constantly hitting refresh right now because we're 4 away from 100,000 people. That's incredible.
I know we say a lot that we don't look at numbers, but then realistically, it's so easy for creators to get excited about numbers. 100,000 is just like, whoa. We never really thought like, oh, it was definitely gonna happen, and now it's happening. Like, it's just this goal that a lot of creators have, that it's just this major mile mark.
It's a huge number. It's a big YouTube mile marker, and to think that 100,000 people decided to hit the subscribe button on 2 people that live in Chattanooga, Tennessee, that live in a van. Sometimes. It's just incredible.
I can't believe it. Even though they're numbers and we're saying we have almost 100,000, those are people.
Real
those are
people.
Individual people, and most of those people have commented and written us and said hi. And I don't know, we have so many names to these numbers, and it's really crazy. It's gonna be slow moving today. We've been growing a lot, and we still are growing decently, but today is like molasses for these last few. Hit refresh again. Oh my gosh. It's so slow.
We need 4 people right now. 4.
Pay you good money to go and subscribe. Nothing changes once we hit 100,000 either. Like, nothing changes. It's just that, whoa, we made it.
It's still the same struggles as a creator and posting to YouTube, but there's just something of, I don't know. We've made it.
It's just a goal.
It's a cool goal.
Should we subscribe from your father's account? Oh, good, I was subscribed. I personally not. Oh my gosh, this is so slow now. You may want to just push pause.
All right, it's been 20 minutes. We're finally 2 away. In that time, I ordered some coffee and Brazilian chocolate balls. We're gonna celebrate. If it ever gets here. All right. Run away! What? We did it! We were 1 away, now we're here. 100,000 people.
Kramer fart.
Kramer just farted on the bed.
Kramer, I'm sorry, buddy. Look at it!
Look. Can you see it? 100,000 people.
Oh my gosh. I know you're probably like, I really don't care.
Yeah, all right, we get it.
Unsubscribe.
Oh, thank you. If you're watching this, thank you, because ultimately you're a part of our community, and we're so grateful to have you here. So
there's gonna be a lot more coming your way.
Yeah, but right now we're waiting for those chocolate balls. Chocolate balls came.
So we're gonna eat balls of chocolate sitting in bed to celebrate ourselves.
Look at these things.
Okay, those are not all for right now, though.
That's what she thinks.
I need one, though. Need. Oh, they're warm. It's hot out there.
Look at this. Chocolate balls of goodness. Kramer!
Look what came in the mail. All right, so we're gonna wait until we get home to open this, which will be probably right now. Oh, it is finally here.
Ready? I mean, I know what's in the box.
Yeah, we know what's in the box, but it's still like this is an exciting day because now it's here.
3 years and 146 videos later.
Is that how many videos?
146. That's what it took.
If you know the whole YouTube thing, 100,000 is like a really big deal because YouTube sends a plaque, and then after this, you don't get a plaque until you hit 1 million subs.
Don't know if that'll ever happen. So this is like the somewhat tangible goal.
Yeah, so this is 100,000 people who decided to click and say we wanted to follow along.
Maybe you should go shave. Sorry, you're looking kind of ratty.
That's 100,000 people who decided they're gonna click a button to follow whatever we put out.
It's 100,000 people who chose to support us. And I don't think y'all realize that we genuinely see every single one of you, every single comment. Even if we don't comment back, it's not intentional, it's just life gets busy. But we see every comment, every message, every email. We've seen, at times, every single one of the subscribers come in through refreshes, because sometimes we're moving so slow or we're so impatient, we just like keep refreshing toxically, that we've seen every single person who's chosen, and we've seen how long it's taken in the rhythm of the slow trudge, but it's here.
And we wanted to like celebrate with you, because without you, this would not be here. This channel would not be here. So thank you for following along. All right, enough sap. We're just gonna open this thing. Let's do this. You ready?
Yeah.
All right. Ooh. There's a nice little...
Nobody cares about that.
Yeah, nobody cares.
All right. All right. You ready? You wanna see it? You wanna
Yeah.
see it?
Let's go.
You spelled my name wrong. Just kidding.
Oh. Look at this thing.
Oh, our silver play button. Oh.
So cool. Look. All right, let's take it out of the plastic.
If each of your subscribers were a light year, they would take you from one side of the Milky Way to the other. That's far. We can't wait to see what you do next, and we'll be here with you every step of the way. Yours sincerely, Susan. Whatever. Have you seen her last name, the CEO of YouTube? WOJCICKI. Would you Thank you, Susan.
Thank you, Susan. Guys, look how cool this is. Oh, this is really cool. It's here, and I remember we made a video about our goals for last year, and we were hoping to get to this 100,000 goal by the end of last year. And then about 3 months into this year is when we hit it.
Golly, it feels like we've been at it for 3 years, but it feels like we've really only been at it for like a year and a half, just because so much of it was spent at home doing nothing. So I can't believe it. And I know some people have been out here doing this way longer than we have, and we got, I don't want to say lucky, but we got really fortunate with our first video, and it took off really nicely. And I think a lot of people were like, well, you guys grew your entire 100,000 from that. And in reality, we've actually probably lost most of those subscribers that we got from the van life video, because a lot of people did not stick around.
Yeah.
And we can see those analytics. But this is a lot of hard work. 146 videos.
So thank you guys, for real. Thank you. Like, this is incredible.
And I know it's like a vanity thing. Can I hold it?
Yeah, you can hold it.
I know it's a vanity thing, but it's just like, it's something tangible to be like, whoa, all that hard work, and it's real. Because, you know, YouTube's virtual. Those numbers, like, there's no tangible way. So meeting some of those people in person, like, this is something that's almost validating, which I know, I hate to admit that. But if you're new here and you've never seen a YouTube creator unbox their silver play button, I don't know that we'd ever get to 1 million. I don't think we've even let ourselves ever dream that, but
I don't know.
100,000 was always like, wow, wouldn't that be cool one day?
Maybe we should dream bigger. Maybe we should go for that 1 million.
Why not? Why not? We'll keep dreaming. But for now, we're really happy with this. This is pretty cool.
This is pretty cool.
Where are we gonna put it? I feel like we owe this award to Kramer. Most people are here for Kramer anyway.
Oh man.
I'd like to present this award to Kramer for his hard work, dedication. Okay, we're done.
Guys, thanks so much for your continued support, for always just being here with us.
For sharing the adventures with us. Golly, it feels weird to see it.
I know.
No, that was a mirror behind it.
It's pretty
I'm
cool.
getting it all dirty.
Pretty cool. I think we'll take a photo of this and put it in our Patreon.
Hold on. Now do 1 million. You want to try? You want to do it?
Let's go.
For behind the scenes and extra content, you can head on over to our Patreon community. Otherwise, be sure to follow on Instagram or like and subscribe here. It really helps creators like us.